Hi guys, welcome to my channel on TD Made Easy. If you're new on this channel, please click on the subscribe button. And if you're an old subscriber, you are welcome. We appreciate you. Thank you for always watching. In today's video, I'll be looking at some important or vital information that you need to include when drawing your floor plan. This will help you to get the required mark that is assigned for the given questions. So for this example, we are looking at 2018 building drawing optional. So let's see the question. Figure 2 shows the sketch plan of a 3-bedroom bungalow. Study the given specifications and answer the questions that follow. Now, when you look at this plan, this type of plan is called a sketch plan. And it's called a sketch plan because they are yet to make use of conventional symbols. So when you are drawing, you are expected to use conventional symbols to draw the floor plan. So the first question is to draw the floor plan using scale 1:100. Using scale 1:100. So when you want to start drawing, the first thing you do, you bring out your length, you draw your length, which is 14,500 millimeters. This is given in millimeters. So when you are drawing on your ruler, you measure 14.5 centimeters. So you convert to centimeters when you are drawing on your paper. So this is 14.5 centimeters by 9.8 centimeters. Now, when you look at it, you see that the question has clearly stated it, that is a 3-bedroom bungalow. So the first thing is to study the drawing, study what you're about to draw before you start drawing. So we have bedroom 1, we have bedroom 2, we have bedroom 3. Now, when you want to assess this building, this is the entrance porch. So you come through its 2 steps, then you get to the entrance porch, and you move through the double door and access the living room. Then from the living room, you can move through the passage to bedroom 1, through the passage to bedroom 2, and also through the passage, you can go back to the entrance porch, then you access the bedroom 3, which is en suite. So now we can now see that aside the bedrooms, we have the WC and bath, we have the dining room, we have the ark, the reach, the living room, the WC. So all this information should be clearly drawn as given to you on the sketch plan. So now the first thing, like I told you, I said when you are drawing, you convert back to centimeters. So this is 14.5 centimeters by 9.8 centimeters. When you do that, that means you have drawn the plan using scale 1:100. Another thing that you must include in your drawing is the walls, drawing of the walls. When you are drawing through the walls, let me show you the building plan, the floor plan. When you're drawing the walls, you make use of the conventional symbol. For the walls, you have to use 2 thick lines. 2 thick lines. This is line 1, which is the external. This is the external line 1, and this is the internal, which is line 2. So the external and the internal. These are the 2 lines that you must use to show the walls. And you're also using scale 1:100 when drawing the walls. How do you convert this? When you go back to the specification, on the specification, you have your walls, all walls, 225. 225. So you convert 225 to centimeter. You convert 225 to centimeter. When you convert 225 to centimeter, you have your 0.23 using scale 1 to 100. Convert to using scale 1 to 100 and also convert to centimeter. You have 0.23. So the thickness of this wall will be 0.23. This wall will be 0.23. So after that, you count the number of windows you have on your sketch plan. So I want to count the windows because all the windows must appear complete for you to get the marks allocated for the windows. So let's count the windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. You must have 13 windows. Let's see it on the floor plan. You must have 13 windows. So this is the final drawing. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. There are 2 different windows. I want to show you from the specifications. There are 2 different windows. The first one is W. Now, W is 2000 by 1002. Now, the part that will be seen on the floor plan is the 2000. The remaining part will be seen when you are drawing in elevation. So the other window is 900 by 600. This type of window, you can find them in store, you can find them in the toilet area. So this is 900 by 600. So the part that will show on the plan is 900. So let's go back to the floor plan. Okay, after the windows, you must be able to draw 14 doors. You must draw 14 doors, including the double doors. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. There are 14 doors. We can see it on the sketch plan, 14 doors. So on the sketch plan, it will be represented with D. So when you are drawing using the conventional symbol, you may use an arc, you may use an arc or a straight line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So after the doors, you must also show the arc. Look at the sketch plan. There is an arc at the dining room. Now, the arc will not be seen except if you cut through it in the elevation or the sectional view. You can show arc. That's where you can show arc. You can show it in elevation. You can also show it in sectional view. But on the floor plan, it will be represented with 2 thin short dashes. 2 thin short dashes. So let's see it on the floor plan. So see the arc represented with 2 thin short dashes, and it's taking the thickness of the wall, the same thickness of the wall. So you are still using the same 0.23 to get this size. So let's move on to the next item on the plan. Okay, after the arc, you see the ridge cap and the eaves projection. Now, this is the ridge cap, is at the middle of the plan. This is the ridge cap. Then you measure whatever is given in the specification for the eave projection. If it is 600, you measure 600. If it is 900, you measure 900 to get this eave projection. The eave projection shows the roof plan. So after that one, you draw the cutting plane. This is the cutting plane JJ. Failure to draw this is -1. So the way it's given to you on the sketch plan, you return it back on the floor plan. Then you also identify the apartments. There are 12 apartments. So you write it using your lettering skills, and you write it horizontally, not that you position bedroom diagonally and you position the WC and bath area vertically, the dining room. No, make sure everything is positioned accordingly using your lettering skills. So you identify the 12 apartments. After that one, you write the title. The title is very important. The title of your drawing. Write floor plan scale 1 to 100 using 2 faint guidelines, just like this. So you write your floor plan with the title, floor plan scale 1 to 100, and remember to dimension your building. So that is the end of the details you need to include on floor plan. Watch out for my next video on the details you need to include in your elevation and sectional view. Thanks for watching.